We bought an outboard harness for our new Mercury motor, and Rick lifted the engine using the harness for the first time. Let's see how he goes.
Well, that was a complete waste of time, but it worked. My dinghy crane worked, which is a really good thing. We have had this phantom leak in our freshwater system. Our pressure pump keeps going off and on, off and on, off and on. And for the life of us, Lou and I, we're having to pump the bilges every 24 hours, sweetie?
Yeah, once every 24 hours.
Yeah, because there's an ever so slow leak. And we have torn up all the floors looking for it, can't find it. We knew it was aft of the mast, and that's about all we could find. Well, today I went to put away our shore power extension lead and funneled into all of my supplies of hose, and I thought, hang on, that feels a little damp. Take you inside this locker. So that's it there, that little tiny bloody leak. See, it's ever so tiny. That's why we weren't able to find it. And there's the drip down there. Drip, drip. That's a ripper, because now I can repair it and do away with this phantom leak that's been annoying us for weeks. Ah, well, cool
Well
bananas.
done, darling.
Thank you, dear. First off, apologies to Alan. I am wearing this jumper, but only because it's the only warm jumper I've got, and it's freezing cold here. It's Thanksgiving coming up, and we wanted to experience an American Thanksgiving, because we never have. But so we were asked to bring along dessert for the Thanksgiving dinner. So we're going to try and make an Aussie meringue. That's what I'm going to try and do. I'm not going to show you the recipe or anything like that, but I will hopefully show you the finished products if it comes out. Here's hoping. What happened, Lou?
I broke the yolk, and there was no yolk. Because of room temperature, they're just a little bit harder than normal, that I'm used to, because I could usually get them straight cold out of the fridge. Bugger.
Oh boy, there's been some swear words, but we haven't had the cameras going. I'm not going to bring it to you. It's just an ugly mess. I'm trying to cook, she's trying to give me directions. It ain't happening. Hey Louie, how do I know when this is done?
You pick the bowl up, turn it upside down over your head, and if it doesn't come out, it's ready.
It ain't ready. What about Lou's invention, eh? MacGyver. Stops the splatter from going everywhere. We just cut a hole in the top of the lid. This is after whisking it.
Can we put in or you?
So, no, you're going to put it over your head. You're going to put it over your head? See whether it... Yay! Don't do this at home! By the way, that was over 20 minutes worth of mixing. By hand. Well, with the trusty...
Now, why was it so long, Rick? Because it's an all-in-one recipe. We know you have to... You don't have to do anything. You just put all your ingredients into one, all in at once, and then whisk. The only dependency of that is it makes you have to whisk it longer.
And I get to lick the bowl.
Come.
Sweet as. What are you telling me to shush for?
I want to make sure it's cooked all through.
Right, so what are you telling me to shush for?
Not my hair like this, Rick. Look, perfect.
Right,
Perfect.
why were you tapping it?
To see whether it was cooked inside.
And is it?
Yes.
How do you know?
Listen. I don't want to go too hard on it. And it is. And it's a bit marshmallowy inside. And it's just enough for 3 people.
but how am I going to put it, stuff it full of cream?
You turn it over.
Oh, do I?
Yes.
When do I do that?
Oh, whenever you want to get it out of the pan.
Okay. When do I want to get it out of the pan? Full of dumb questions, apparently. The end result of my meringue.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We're off for our first Thanksgiving. Desserts in the car, or sweets, or whatever you call it. Are in the car, we're to provide that. Denise is giving the main course, entree, or whatever it's called. And should be a good day. It's all right. Happy Thanksgiving!
Yeah. So this is what they say when they say the turkey with all the fixins.
We've got potato.
That's stuffing.
What's this one? Beans.
Beans. Cranberry sauce.
Carrots.
Sweet potato.
Carrots in honey, no doubt.
Just got to carve that.
And turkey.
Well,
We didn't do a very good, well,
we did do a very good job, but
look at the leftovers.
doggy bag.
And our host's letting us take the doggy bag home. Denise has lived in America for a long time, so we thought we'd bring some Australia to her for this Thanksgiving. And
That looks amazing.
go Lou.
Lou didn't. Don't forget that we've got this special deal on merch going on. If you subscribe to Patreon, you'll go in the draw for one of the Naughty Boy shirts. Like and subscribe. Maybe even, if you want, head over to Patreon.
See you next week.
Day to begin.